Hi there, my name is Daniel Olaimaju, and I'll be your coach till the end of today's lesson and till the end of the whole class. Blah blah blah. So I'll be introducing you to the software I use for my app development and the one you're going to be using for your app development. And let me introduce you to sketchware Pro. Normally, this Pro version is not anywhere on Play Store. It's only on GitHub, which I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video. Yeah, you might have heard about sketchware mod and everything, but this is a Pro version which literally has everything. They actually killed this sketchware in 2019, and for one reason or the other they couldn't continue the project anymore, so they had to stop it and abandon it. But thanks to some teams that came up with the idea of continuing the project for free. This is actually the GitHub repository where the application sketchware is, and this is the latest version of the sketchware Pro application. So the sketchware Pro application, the latest version is 6.4.0 test build 5. A lot of changes occurred since the team started creating the Pro version of the application. So the team isn't just building it themselves, they have those that contribute to the project, that build the project. So if you want to contribute to the project, you can just go to the GitHub and clone the repository. So back to where we are going. So to download this sketchware Pro, you have to scroll down to the latest version where you can see your asset. So you click on the drop down, then you download the second one. So after downloading, let's wait till it downloads. Let's check. Yeah, I installed it. First of all, yesterday I installed the version yesterday, so I had some error on my project. So I was thinking maybe it's the latest version that has an error, but it doesn't have an error. So it was actually my project that has some errors. So I actually deleted my previous version, then installed the new version. So I had to delete the old version and the new version again rather. So right now, yeah, I am deleting the old version and installing the new version. So these are the previous versions. I remember when I had these previous versions, and I was finding it very hard to create some things that are actually normal on Android Studio, but now they've updated the software to the latest version. You can create anything. When I mean anything. So hang on tight. I'm going to fast forward. Oh yeah, welcome back. This was the previous version I installed yesterday. So everything is good, both the previous and the old one. The new one right now, everything is good and okay. So alright, let's proceed to installing the application. Well, first thing first, I need to pre-modify my project files, because that's where my projects are and I don't want to lose them. So I need to go to my file manager, rename the sketchware folder. So if this is an actual good practice, so if the new latest version that you're going to be installing has a bug or an error, so it won't crash and ruin your project and everything of your hard labor of progress. So you have to rename it. Then when I finish with the installation and everything and I saw it's okay, I'm going to rename it back to the sketchware file. So right, I'm going to be uninstalling the application. Yeah, so I'll proceed to install the latest version and then come back to command rename the folder. So if you don't do this when new updates come out about on the sketchware platform, it might actually ruin your project, because it happens to me, because most of the time I lose my project and it's not a good feeling losing project. So you guys need to keep your project very securely. Just so you know, the sketchware is actually a folder where your project files are being stored and stored for so the application can access it. So right here I'll be installing the latest version. Please, I beg, appreciate my efforts. I beg, subscribe, I beg, please. Is it only me? This cover song is boring. Yeah, this one is okay. So now we've installed our application. Now let's go back to our file. Let's go back to rename our folder. Since I've tested this yesterday, so I know this is good, and I know that I can proceed with this. So you don't need to review or stress yourself. So you just have to go to the application straight away. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit time because that is the first time installation. So we are going to grant it some permission after this screen. Then after we grant it permission, if we link our folder, then it will scan your phone for sketchware file. So by granting access, all my projects will appear right now. So I guess this is the end of the class. In the next video, I will show you how to create and add, how to modify and stuff like that. So this is the end of today's today's video. See you in the next video. Peace out.